Your visit today is worthwhile because it makes abstract things to them a reality.
I'm really hoping all our beneficiaries will develop good character and to be kind for everybody to make more peace of this world.
For the children, it inspires them. It gives their dream that it's a reality already.
Karate has greatly contributed to their emotional regulation and confidence.
Your support continues to change lives by giving children opportunity, learn, grow, and believe in themselves.
This activity has shaped my daughter into a focused, disciplined, and confident individual.
My experience in karate has inspired me to keep improving and never stop believing in myself.
It's really amazing how you bring everyone together here. You cannot do it alone. It takes a team to make a change.
To think about how we change the systems and the conditions that surround the young people that we're working with.
We need to raise these children and provide them with the necessary education to become a good person.
You have taught them how to live with dignity, discipline, and courage.
Your guidance has helped us uncover strength, and we are incredibly grateful for everything action and our instruction have done. Thank you.
Sports is helping us develop character, self-worth, value that will make our youth better children of our nation.
We have a great team together to make a change.
Little word from a little child is already a very big thing for us. It makes the fire in us ignite to give inspiration to everyone.
May we all remain champions in building the safer, more caring, and child-friendly community.
Maraming salamat.